Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Farhana Khan. Today's topic is biodiversity. What is biodiversity? The term biodiversity has been derived from bio and diversity. Diversity means variety within a species and among species. Biodiversity is a measure of the variety of organisms present in different ecosystems. The diversity of plants, flora, and animals, fauna in a region depends on climate, altitude, soils, and the presence of other species. Biodiversity is not distributed evenly on Earth. इसमें ये कहा गया है कि बायोडाइवर्सिटी जो है ये ये डिराइव हुई है दो वर्ड से। एक है बायो और सेकंड है डाइवर्सिटी। एंड डाइवर्सिटी का मीनिंग है जी स्पीशीज अमंग, वैरायटी विद इन अ स्पीशीज एंड अमंग स्पीशीज। ओके, एंड here they are telling about biodiversity is not distributed evenly on earth. बायोडाइवर्सिटी अर्थ में इवनली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट नहीं हुई इक्वली, ठीक है। इट इज़ द रिचेस्ट इट इज़ रिचेस्ट इन द ट्रॉपिक्स. टेम्परेट regions also have many species while there are fewer species in the polar regions. Biodiversity found on earth today is the result of 4 billion years of evolution. The origin of life is not well known to science, though limited evidence suggests that until 600 billion years ago, all life consisted of bacteria and similar unicellular organisms. And here they are telling about the importance of biodiversity. What is the importance of biodiversity? बायोडाइवर्सिटी की इम्पोर्टेंस है क्या? बायोडाइवर्सिटी प्रोवाइड्स फूड्स फॉर ह्यूमन. बायोडाइवर्सिटी ह्यूमन के लिए फूड प्रोवाइड करती है. अ सिग्निफिकेंट proportion of drugs are divided directly or indirectly from biological sources. जो ड्रग्स होती हैं मेडिसिन्स और ड्रग्स मेडिसिन ये डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली बायोलॉजिकल सोर्स के ज़रिए हैं, ठीक है। अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल मटेरियल्स, फॉर एग्जांपल बिल्डिंग मटेरियल्स, फाइबर्स, डाइज, रेजिन्स, गम्स, एडहेसिव, रबर एंड ऑयल आर डिराइव्ड डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. ये सारी चीज़ें डायरेक्टली प्लांट से ड्राइव की गई हैं. बायोडाइवर्सिटी प्लेज इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल इन मेकिंग एंड मेंटेनिंग इकोसिस्टम्स. बायोडाइवर्सिटी है जो इकोसिस्टम में इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है मेंटेन करने का, ठीक है. इट प्लेज अ पार्ट इन रेगुलेटिंग द केमिस्ट्री ऑफ आवर एटमोसफेयर एंड वाटर सप्लाई. It plays a part in regulating the chemistry of our atmosphere and water supply. Biodiversity is directly involved in recycling nutrients and providing fertile soils. डायरेक्टली इसमें इन्वॉल्व है रिसाइकलिंग में, ठीक है, और प्रोवाइडिंग फर्टाइल सॉइल में, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर दिया गया है फिगर 3.1. वैरायटी ऑफ प्लांट्स लाइफ इन अ ट्रॉपिकल लेफ्ट एंड टेम्परेचर राइट रीजन. The left picture shows the tropical life of plant and the right picture shows the temperate region. Okay, so now we will discuss the classifications of aims and principles. Classification, aims and principles. What is this? Here we are reading. There is a large collection of very dissimilar forms of organisms found on earth. over 1.5 million types of animals and over 0.5 million types of plants are known to biologists, and these are only a small percentage of the total types estimated to live on Earth. And they range in complexity from small and simple bacteria to large and complex human beings. Some of them live in sea, some on land, some walk, others fly, and still others are stationary. Each has its own way of life, getting food, avoiding unfavorable environmental conditions, finding a place to live, and reproducing its kind. When there are so many diverse kinds of organisms, it becomes difficult to learn about the characteristics of each. To study large to study such a large collection, biologists classify the organisms into groups and subgroups, and for this task they require some system. Biological classification is a method by which biologists divide organisms into groups and subgroups. Figure 3.2, Variety of animals, life in polar region. Okay, and here the topic of biodiversity classification ends. So for the next topic, aims and principles and aims of classification, check the next video. Lafis.